I'm just back into a new apartment. I'm going to show you what an empty apartment looks like in Germany. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing good. My name is Nikki from the Nigerian Family. Today I'm going to share with you, because some people do not know how Germany is. On this channel I'm going to be able to share with you the environment I am living, which is Germany. I'm going to share with you the things that are happening here. And there are some things that people do not know exactly how it is in Germany. I am going to be sharing that also on this channel. I'm going to be showing different kinds of videos on this channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, just click on the subscribe button and join this family. We are bringing it as it is to you. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you an empty apartment tour in Germany, how apartment is before you rent it in Germany. Because I know in different countries there are different ways they rent the apartment. The apartment comes with different things already in that apartment, but in Germany it's a different thing altogether. So I'm going to share with you an empty apartment tour in Germany. Because I'm just trying to move to another apartment. So I'm going to share with you. I have not packed anything. The house is empty and the house is as it is. I just collected the key today. So I'm going to share with you what it looks like before you can start bringing in your things. Because sometimes people just hear it, they might believe or they might not believe, but I'm going to share with you today how it is in Germany. So let's go into the apartment. When you open, you come in. The apartment is on the first floor. So, and this is one-story building. We're living in the first floor, which is the last floor. It's just a house of 4 apartments. So this is the apartment. If you walk in, this is the front door of the apartment. If you walk in, you have the hallway, and the hallway, the floor comes, this one comes with tiles, some other ones comes with a wooden floor. So this is so if you come in, the first thing you're going to see by your right is the bedroom and the toilet. This is what it looks like. Sometimes you will see an apartment before the person comes in. The landlord is going to change the things that got spoiled while the former person was staying here. That is what they use the caution money to do. If you spoil anything in the house, they will use the money you paid when you were coming in to renovate the house. So this is what the toilet is looking like. They have been renovating it for the past 2 weeks after the former person left. So this is the toilet and the bathroom. And meanwhile, this is 4 rooms apartment. In Germany, they call 4 rooms, that is living room and 3 sleeping rooms. So opposite the toilet comes the living room. This is the living room. Here is the window. Here is dark a little bit. This is the door to the balcony. This is the place. Just empty. The rooms actually rooms come with the wooden floor, but the hallway comes with the tiles. So this is the living room. And meanwhile, here in Germany, there are rooms. If you're lucky, you might get a one that is spacious. If you're, it depends on what you're looking for anyway. But their rooms are not all that big like the rooms you see in America and other places. So after the living room, the next room is one of the sleeping rooms. This is actually the smallest room in the apartment. This is the smallest room in the apartment, which I am going to use as my studio for my office. It's just an empty room, nothing much. After that room, opposite it is the kitchen. The kitchen is small. That is one thing I don't like in this apartment. The rooms are okay, but the kitchen is not as I expected. It's not exactly what I want. But getting an apartment in Germany somehow is difficult, especially if you're not working. And that is one of the things that made me to start working, because I actually need work contract to be able to get an apartment. To get an apartment that you like. Not actually getting an apartment, because if you don't have that work contract, they might not give you the best or better houses or better apartments. So this is the kitchen. Very empty. That is one thing you get in Germany. You cannot get an apartment in Germany that has kitchen already, unless the person living just left the kitchen for you to continue using. You pay the person up for the kitchen and you can start using them. But mostly in Germany, you get your kitchen very empty like this. Actually, this one is where you have to put your dishwasher and for washing plates and washing dishes. Then here will be where your stove will be, because they did it like this so that you know exactly where to put anything you want to put. This is how Germany is. You cannot get a kitchen that has the necessary things you need in the kitchen. You have to build your own kitchen cabinet, buy your own stove, buy your own dishwasher. You come in with your washing machine, everything. You have to come into this place with almost everything. The only thing that they can help you to do is to put your bathtub, your toilet, so those things are the things that you get in all apartments that you get in Germany. But apart from that, you will just come in an empty apartment. So after that comes the second sleeping room, which is much bigger, which is bigger than the other ones. I might not be able to show. I'm showing just nothing in this because it's just empty. But this one has a bigger window. The window here is bigger, and this is just one of the rooms. And actually, this should be the master bedroom because it's the biggest in all of them. It's the biggest. So this is the master's bedroom. And one thing I like about the apartment is the heater is working so perfectly, so good. So catching cold or feeling cold here is not something I'm going to experience. The house is warm. The heater is working. So the third sleeping room, which happens to be the children's room, which I am going to turn to be the children's room for my daughters, is this. It's also big because it has bigger window. This will be able to contain both of them, because they don't want to sleep in different rooms. so they say they want to stay in one room. So this is going to be their room. It is just empty, nothing, just empty. There is nothing in this. That is how German apartment is. Everything is gone. You have to come in with everything you need. So guys, that is how German apartment looks like. You actually have to come in with everything that you want to use in your apartment. You are going to come in with everything. I mean everything. You see the kitchen? That is the big work. Packing into an apartment and you start building your own kitchen. To me, that is much work. Like if we back into this apartment now, for us to cook, eat, it's gonna be hard because we have not built our kitchen. So you have to do everything before you can be comfortable in a new apartment in Germany. It's not the one that is not an apartment. You say just carry your bags, carry your things, and just go in. You have to build no cupboard, no wardrobe, nothing. You have to do everything. You buy your washing machine, you buy your dishwasher, you buy your stove, you buy everything before you can be able to be comfortable in an apartment in Germany. That is what we see here. And to me, it is not good. Something has to be done. Something has to be done. They have to change the law. Put something in it that it will benefit at least foreigners. When they come here, they have nothing. They have to start afresh in furnishing houses. So guys, I'm going off now. I'll be going from here to the shop because this apartment, I just got the key. I have to start to put things in order. So I'll be going now to the furniture shop. I have to go get a wardrobe for my kids' room and also for my own room, and run some errands. Today I'm off work. I didn't go to work today, so I want to use this day to be able to achieve something and use this. Today is Friday. I'm going to use this weekend to see what I can do to be able to pack it into this place. But believe me, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. So I'm going to get some cupboard and wardrobe. Those ones might look a little bit easier, but getting the kitchen, that one has been skipping my mind because I don't know how to go about it. It's much work for me. And I'm working now. I don't normally stay at home. So we're going off now. I might vlog there or I might not. So see you soon.